Hey everybody, Randy Mann here. Today I want to show you a WordPress plugin that's just coming out. It's called Blooom. But I want to ask you a question first, and think about this for a second. How many times have you watched a YouTube video and looked at it and went, oh wow, that would make great content for a blog post or a lead magnet or whatever? I mean, so then you made that decision, well, I'm going to get that so I can do that, and now you got to watch the whole thing all over again. Then you got to take notes, or maybe you could write it every word down as you're going through it. I don't know what you do. I know what I've done in the past, and I've done all those, and it's, you know, and for a simple blog post or lead magnet you want to create, you've just spent hours, maybe days to get it done. But with Blooom, I can tell you right now, and I'm going to show you, you can take any public YouTube video and you can pull the spoken words right out of that thing in less than 60 seconds. Yeah, 60 seconds or less. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to show you what this thing will do. You can put the video URL in here. You can put a search term in here. So I'm going to do make money online with ClickBank, and I've played with this a little bit, obviously. So you hit the submit button, and it's going to go looking for all the YouTube videos that relate to your search terms. And you can see here's a couple of videos here, and you know, there's from a minute and 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, 12, 13, 20 minutes. Let's just take this one here. It's 4 minutes 31 seconds long. It's not that long. I haven't watched it yet, but I'm going to show you what this can do. Just hit the link there that's underneath the video, and as it's turning and churning and doing its thing, it is actually pulling the spoken word out of this thing, and boom, what was that, 10, 15 seconds? Look at this. There's all the words in that video right there before your eyes, every spoken word. Not only that, here's the tags. It pulled the featured image off of it. Down here it tells you the word count, and it tells you the average reading time of 3 minutes 16 seconds if you were to use this verbatim. Obviously I don't recommend you do that, but now what you want to do is you just copy and paste all of this into a Word document. There you go. All the spoken word is right there for you. Now obviously you need to come through here and separate the sentences out a little bit, and the paragraphs, and rearrange it, put your voice to it. You want to rewrite it. It's like kind of like doing PLR. You want to rewrite it a little bit so it makes it sound like you said it, you wrote it, but there, everything's right there for you. Just go change it a little bit. Now, how awesome is that? And I mean, we're talking 60 seconds. You got your content. Another 5-10 minutes, you got a blog post, or a lead magnet, or whatever. I mean, how awesome is that? I can't emphasize how easy this is. I mean, you just saw it. Less than 60 seconds, everything's there. You go do a little work with it now, boom, you got a blog post in 30 minutes tops for one of them 20-minute ones. So get your hands on this. You know, this thing is worth every penny you're going to pay for it. It will save you time, money, and effort in the long run by yanking the content, the spoken word out. And the best thing is, you're not plagiarizing anything, because this stuff is not indexed anywhere in Google. You can run this code through a plagiarism checker, and it ain't out there, because Google doesn't index the spoken word in the videos. So get this, grab this now while you can. The price is going to keep going up and up and up. Mark my words, this will save you time, money, and effort. It's called Blooom. It's from my mentor, Mark Bishop. You're going to hear a lot about it. Go get it. Thanks for watching.